Okay, today we are going to be doing two portions of a test called the short physical performance battery. Since you came into the clinic expressing like you're feeling you're losing some mobility and you're feeling like your legs are a little bit weaker than they used to be, we're going to be using two components of this test to assess your mobility and to assess the functioning of your legs to see if there's anything that we want to work on moving forward. So the two portions of the test that we're going to do is the Gait speed assessment, and then we're going to be doing a sit to stand assessment. Do I have your consent going forward with these tests?
Yes.
All right. So the first component of the test that we're going to be doing is the Gait speed test. So I'm going to have you stand over here next to this chair, and then that blue line in front of you is 4 meters away. So when I say go, I want you to walk at your normal gait speed all the way through that line. We're going to be doing 2 trials of this, and we're going to be taking the fastest of the 2 times. I want you to walk at a consistent speed the whole time, no acceleration or deceleration as you're anticipating the test ending. Any questions? All right, on you, the time will start. Good. All right, and then we're going to reset, and we're going to do that one more time. And on you we go. Now the second portion of the test is the sit to stand subscale. So I want you to cross your arms across your chest, and they're going to stay like this the entire time. This test is done without any use of your arms, just testing out your legs. So when I say ready, stand, you're going to sit to stand 5 times in a row, and we're going to time how quickly you are able to do that. Again, no use of your arms, and you're doing this test as quickly as possible. Your time is going to start when you hear me say stand. Any questions? Right, ready, stand. All right. Okay, so now looking at your scores, on both of the subscales, you scored a 2, which means your total score for today was a 4. We're looking for about a 6 on these tests, so we are falling a bit below that. So that being said, we do have some mobility things that we can work on, as well as maybe some strengthening to help get some of that function back into your legs. Do you have any questions? All right, today we're going to be doing something called the 4-square step test. This test is going to assess your dynamic balance, and we're going to assess your safety in stepping over obstacles. Since you came into the clinic today with some learns about your balance and expressed that there are some obstacles you have to maneuver through in your home, we want to make sure that you can navigate your home safely. So the way this test is going to work is using these 4 canes we have arranged here. When I say go, we're going to put 2 feet into each box and go through the sequence as quickly and safely as you can, all right? That means no stepping on the canes, we need to step over them. When I do say go, we're going to go in the sequence from square 1 to square 2, into square 3, then 4, back to 1, and then reverse, going 4, 3, 2, 1. That sound okay with you going forward?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to have you do one practice trial here to make sure that we have the sequence down. Back. Perfect. All right, any questions on that? All right, so these next 2 are going to be done for time, so again, as quickly as you can, but being safe, and I'll be here on the side of you. All right, so your time is going to start when your first foot touches into this square above us here. So whenever you want to start. And stop. All right, reset the clock, and we're going to do that one more time. And on you we go. And stop. All right, so in looking at your results, the fastest of your 2 time trials was 16 seconds. Since you are above a 15-second, we are at a bit of a concern for a fall risk. This does not mean that you are going to fall, it just means that we want to work on some things going forward to improve on that so that you are as safe as possible when you are home and out in public. Any questions?